Hello friends, welcome to Computer Succeed. In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction of computer, what is a computer and characteristics of computer. Let me start with the introduction of computer. The word compute, it means to calculate. We all are familiar with calculation in our day-to-day life. We apply mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. and many other formulas for calculations. Let me make you understand what is a computer. Computer is an electronic device which can do arithmetical calculation faster. Computer is a machine capable for solving problems and manipulating data. It accepts data, processes the data by doing some mathematical and logical operations and give us the desired output. Computer can be defined, its terms and its function. First, accept data. It's called input. Second, process data. It's called processing. Third, produce output. It's called output. Stores results. It's called storage. Here as you can see diagram of basic computer operation. Accept data by using input devices. Then process, and after processing we get a result. It's called output. Now I am going to explain about input. Input is the raw information entered into a computer from the input devices. It is the collection of the letters, numbers, images, etc. Process. Process is the operation of data as per given instruction. It is totally internal process of the computer system. Output. Output is the processed data given by computer after data processing. Output is also called as result. We can save these results in the storage device for the future use. Next is characteristics of computer. Speed. Computer can work very fast. It takes only few seconds for calculation. Accuracy. The degree of accuracy of computer is very high and every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. Diligence. A computer is free from tiredness, lack of concentration, fatigue, etc. Versatility. It means the capacity of perform completely different types of work. No IQ. Computer is dumb machine and it cannot do any work without instruction from the user. No feeling. It does not have feelings or emotion, taste, knowledge and experience. Storage. The computer has an inbuilt memory where it can store a large amount of data. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and share. To get more information, visit our website which is given in the description box.